What if I told you that these were the crispiest wings I've ever made? What you're gonna need is a bowl, some chicken wings. Now this is the easiest recipe. Let me give you a kitchen tip. Now when you're in the kitchen, you want to stay organized. Get all your ingredients out so that it keeps it moving. Don't worry, I put all the ingredients in the top corner. Now if you have a lid, put it on and shake it. If you don't, mix it up by hand. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get into tip number 2. Now this is a bane. Some people call it a kitchen accessory holder. You want to keep your most utilized kitchen accessories right here, so you don't have to go into the drawer and search for it. Keep it simple, like these crispy chicken wings. Now give a little bit of oil to your basket. Put your chicken wings in it. Now try to space them out so they're not too crowded, but you want to get as much in there as you possibly can. Now set your air fryer for 360, and you want to go for 25 minutes. Now at the halfway point, you want to give them a little shake to make sure everything's cooking up right. After 25 minutes, you got yourself a
winner,
a real
winner
to share with your family and friends. And they'll call it a
winner, winner.
Guaranteed.